Question 11. So part A, these are the first 5 terms in a Fibonacci sequence. 1, 3, 4, 7, 11. Write down the next 2 terms in the sequence, okay? So terms means just what are the next 2 numbers in this sequence. And Fibonacci, okay, this is a special kind of sequence. Okay? And the Fibonacci sequence works by adding the 2 numbers before it to get the new one. Okay, so for example, we did 1 add 3 gives me 4. 3 add 4 gives me 7. 4 add 7 gives me 11. So to find the next number, we need to do 7 add 11 gives me 18. So that's the first one. If we write it up here as well to help us out. Okay, and then 11 add 18 gives this next one, which is 29. So 18 and 29. That one there. Part B says in a different Fibonacci sequence, the 4th term is 31 and the 5th term is 50. Work out the first term in the sequence. Right, so this time we've got sort of the end of the sequence and we're working backwards. Okay, so if we write down 50 and then the term before it was 31. Okay, so on this one up here, when we were going forwards, we were doing 1 add 3 gives me 4. 3 add 4 gives me 7. So for this one, we're going backwards, we're going to do the opposite. So the opposite of adding is taking away. So 50 take away 31, okay, is 19. Right? And then we need to do the same again. So 31 take away 19 this time gives me 12. Okay, and then to get the so that's 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. So we need to do it one more time. 19 take away 12 gives me 7. Okay, so the first term in sequence was 7. Okay, and if you wanted to just double check this, all you need to do is, well, 7 add 12 gives me 19. That works. 12 add 19 gives me 31. So that works. And 19 add 31 gives me 50. So this must be the correct sequence. And then part C, this is definitely the trickiest part of the question. The second and third terms in the following Fibonacci sequence are x and y. Write down the algebraic expressions for the first, 4th and 5th terms. Okay, so if we look at what we've just done above, okay, so we work backwards to work out the first term. Okay, it must be something adds to x gives me y. So what that's going to be is if I have y take away x, yeah, because y take away x, we're just writing it as an algebraic expression, so we literally write y take away x. Okay, now this, to find out the 4th one, okay, we'll go forwards, so we need to do x add y. So I can literally write down x plus y. Okay, and then for the 5th term, I need to do y add x add y. Okay, now I could write that out as y add x add y, but we can simplify it and make it look a bit nicer. So it's going to be x plus ty. So I've got my 2 y's there. That is a 2. Okay, and that is how we do the Fibonacci sequence but with algebra.